Hello children, welcome to your literacy skill class. Take out your literacy skill book and open page number 86. What is this? Children, we have done this, that, these and those chapter earlier. So this is also based on the same chapter only. Here only earlier we have given you the picture and you have to write this is an apple or that is an apple. But here in this chapter a question will be there and you have to write the answer by looking at the picture. If it is near, you will say this, and if it is away from the question or the sentence, it is far, then you will say that. So what is this? See, this is near to the question, so it is this is an apple. What is that? That is an orange. The question is asking this, so your answer will start with this. When the question is asking that, your answer will be that is an orange. What is this? This is an ice cream. It will not be it will be this. Just you will write this, so this is an ice cream. What is that? That is a parrot. What is this? This is a cow. What is that? That is a peacock. Children, you just strike off it here and write this, and here also you write this. Now children, come to the next page. Have some fun. This is your homework. What you will do here, you will just tick the correct answer. What is this? You will see the picture and tick the correct answer. What is this? You can see this is a ball. So the correct answer will be this is a ball. This is a bat. No, this is a ball. So you will tick the right answer. What is that? This is an onion. So you will tick the correct answer by looking at the picture and identifying the object. Now children, turn the page and come to next page, that is page 88. Look at the pictures and answer the questions. You will see the picture and identify the object and answer the question, just like you have done before or read before. What is this? What is this? This is a panda. This is a panda. What is that? See, the object is away from the finger, so it is that. That is a brush. What is this? What is this, children? This is an owl. This is an owl. What is that? This is a pear. So you will write that is a pear because it is away from the finger. What is this? See, the object is close to the finger, so it is this. This is a sparrow. This you will, children, write in your book. Now children, come to the next page. This is a chapter related to these. Before we did this and that, now we will do these. Are these, because these means many things are there, so it will not be is. There will be are. Are these will be the question. See, are these bats? You can see the picture. Yes, you can see these are bats. So you will write yes, these are bats. You will write yes, these are bats. Here they is given. You just cut the word and write these. Are these cats? You can see the picture. Yes, these are cats. Yes, these are cats. Are these ants? Yes. Sorry children, this will not be these are ants. This will be no, these are not. So children, I have made the correction. Are these ants? You can see the picture. No, these are not ants. These are flies. So you will say no, these are not. Are these stars? See children, these are stars. So you will write yes, these are stars. Again, are these huts? These are huts. No, these are hats. So you will write no, these are not. So this one also you will do in your book. And children, your copy work I will give you as pictures that you will do in your copy. Okay children, goodbye and have a nice day.